Daunivucu is many things. He is a poet, he is a musician, he is a living treasure trove of knowledge, a master knowledge holder of customs and traditions. He is also an important part of Fijian society. Yeah. In Daunivucu's role in Fijian society, or his tabi Vanua, his duty to the land is dance creator, dance choreographer. And it's his job to take the stories of the particular Vanua or the village or the entire province and create a dance. Yeah. Basically a storyteller using performing arts, using music, using costuming, using theater, using drama. And Daunivucu is a very vital role of Fijian oral history. For these are one of the major ways that history was passed down from generation to generation. Which was through the preservation of knowledge that was encapsulated in the creation of a meke. Yeah, and there's there's a couple of ways of how a meke was created and still is today. So in the old days, when a Daunivucu was charged with the task of coming up with a new meke for a solevu or a function of the Vanua or a celebratory occasion, the traditional way of creating a meke is one of known through visions. Yeah, so the Daunivucu would have visions of the particular actions, the lyrics, the costuming. It was said that he would see these actions and hear the words and the chants. He would see the dances through visions as he slept at night. Now, of course, there's many ways to look at this. One could look at this as inspiration, a sheer gift or a talent. Unfortunately, with the very strong influence of Christian missionaries in Fiji and Christianity still today, these gifts and this form of creating dance through visions was deemed as something that was linked to black magic, or linked to Navakatevoro, or to delve into things that are taboo, the spirits or devils, in the old Christian sense of the word. And so this practice of Daunivucu was kind of suppressed and kind of went underground, hidden from the ranks of the pirinai of the missionary, I guess, or the church pastor or leader. And so today in Fiji, there is only a very small handful of Daunivucu who are still practicing by the traditional way of this vision, having visions of, he would wake up and say, hey, you guys get up, perform these actions, write down these words, bring me the lali, and so forth. And this is how a dance would be created. Of course, today there are other ways of creating a meke, simply by writing, creating a poem, creating a historical writing into a story format, and simply infusing a tune, creating the actions, and then collaborating to do the costumes as well. Yeah, so just a modern way of creating a meke, and then there's the traditional way.